Before the shade structure went up, we had our courts and our turf area, but it was basically unusable if it was really, really wet, or if it was really, really hot. It got quite hot underfoot and the kids didn't want to use it. It was an area that we wanted to make sure that we could use all year round. The process of finding the right people to do the job was pretty straightforward. We talked to experts in the construction industry, people who had done it before, and we settled with Shade Systems because we were told they were the best. Shade Systems were by far the easiest, the best people that I've worked with. They were really responsive to all of our needs. The guys on site were great, really, really friendly. If we needed to shut down construction for a few minutes because kids were walking past because we need some quiet in assembly, they were just like, yep, no problem. Nothing was an issue for them, so yeah, they're absolutely fantastic. We had quality control checks the whole way through the process where we were involved in all that as well. They were really good with explaining why their processes were in place and why they've chosen suppliers and manufacturers and things like that. We chose the material in the canopy so it would let the perfect amount of light in. It's cool when it's sunny. The light that comes through is exactly what we're after. We're really, really happy with that whole process. The kids love it. It's another space for them to play in at lunchtime, morning tea, before school, after school, and the added extra of the speakers and the lights means we can use it when the sun's down, we can use it for formal things, we can use it for cool events where we need microphones or we need music pumping. So it's really added a lot to our school. In an already active and dynamic school culture, I would definitely recommend Shade Systems to anyone that's wanting to build a shade structure like this. The thing we're happiest with was how responsive they were to our needs. And of course, we're not experts in construction, so they were able to sit down and chat to us about every little thing in the process if we asked the question. So Shade Systems, they were fantastic.